So how do you save audio files to the camera roll on the iPhone? And let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so you cannot really save audios only to the Photos app or to the camera roll, but I mean, it's gonna be done. Like, I'm gonna show you how you can like work around it, but just note that there you can only save the photos or videos. So if you have an audio file which you want to move to the camera roll, you'll need to use a video editor. For example, I recommend you to use CapCut. And in there, you just import like a placeholder image, whatever it might be. It might be literally like a black picture captured through the camera, doesn't matter at all. But you just want to start a new project, right? Select that image and you want to ensure that you started like that. And then at the bottom, you need to edit the audio. So you can click on add audio. Then you're going to go to the folders section there. So you can bring it in here, right? So click on a sounds folder and go to your device and bring the audio from the Files app to that video. So once you have it in here, we have our placeholder image, which is like a black screen, right? And you can see that we can have it like that. And then we're going to export it. So we basically edit the audio to a blank photo and we put it all together into one video. And this gets saved to the camera roll automatically. So you can always go to the Photos app, have like a blank placeholder image, but the audio is most definitely going to be there. So that's how you're going to do this. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll see you later in those videos as well.